Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me show you how to log into your Kabbage dashboard in today's video. Now the dashboard is where you can manage all of your Kabbage loans, funding requests, and account settings. So let's get started. Step one, open Kabbage website. Now in your browser, you want to go to the website on right there on the screen. That's www.kabbage.com. And step two is to click on login. Now once you're on the home page of that website, you're gonna see the login button in the top right corner of the screen. So just go ahead and click on it to go to the login page. Step 3, enter your email and password. Now on the login page, you want to enter the email address that's associated with your Kabbage account, and of course the password that you created when setting up your account. Step 4, set up two-factor authentication. Now if you've enabled two-factor authentication for extra security, Kabbage is going to send a verification code to your phone or email, so you want to get that code and enter that code to proceed. Step 5, access your dashboard. Now after logging in, you'll be taken directly to your Kabbage dashboard, and here you can view your current loan status, funding options, and loan repayment schedules, and many more. And that's how you log into your Kabbage dashboard. Simple and easy. And that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.